Hey everyone! Welcome back to another fun episode of our podcast. It's always awesome to have you with us.
Hi Lucas, I'm so excited for this one. This topic is something we all deal with.
Absolutely. Today, we're chatting about how to improve productivity and tackle those sneaky little mistakes that hold us back.
Oh, I love it. Our listeners will pick up some great tips to make their days more productive. And of course, we'll improve their English as well.
That's the goal. So, if you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, or just not as productive as you'd like, don't go anywhere. We've got you covered.
Exactly. And since the new year has just started, we always tell ourselves we'll be more productive. But somehow, it doesn't always work out, does it?
You're right, Sophia. Each year, we promise ourselves that this time we'll stay focused, avoid distractions, and get more done. But let's be honest, sticking to it is often easier said than done.
Right, Lucas. Like, imagine you open your laptop to get some work done, but before you know it, you've watched 13 random videos and completely forgotten what you were supposed to do.
Believe me, I've done that too. You start with good intentions, but before you know it, you're lost in a rabbit hole of videos, and your work is still untouched.
You know, Lucas, a lot of people check their phones first thing in the morning. Facebook, Instagram, all of that. Research shows that this habit can seriously affect your focus and productivity for the rest of the day.
I know, and that's so true. Social media can be a blessing, but we often turn it into a curse by letting it distract us from what really matters.
Exactly. The people behind these social media platforms don't care about what we're learning. They just want our attention.
Exactly. The more time we spend scrolling, the more ads they can show, and that's how they make their money. It's all designed to keep us hooked.
Now, let's talk about another mistake we often make: multitasking.
Oh, that's a big one. We think we're being productive by doing multiple things at once, but research shows that it actually lowers our efficiency and focus.
Exactly. Multitasking can leave you feeling like you're getting a lot done, but in reality, you're just spreading yourself too thin and not doing anything well.
There's actually a study from the University of Stanford that shows multitasking can reduce productivity by up to 40%.
We all should know this multitasking temporarily increases stress levels, which raises blood pressure and heart rate.
Let's ask our audience, how often do you find yourself juggling multiple tasks at once? Do you feel more stressed, or does it help you get things done? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
Do you know, Lucas, that every video we scroll through on social media releases dopamine, which makes us excited to watch the next one? It's like a cycle that keeps us hooked.
Exactly. That dopamine hit feels good at the moment, but it also trains our brain to seek out constant stimulation, making it harder to stay focused on more important tasks. It's all designed to keep us coming back for more.
This is why people are losing focus on any task they try to work on.
You won't be surprised to know that businesses are also creating focus drinks, supplements, and tools like productivity apps and noise-cancelling headphones to help improve concentration.
So, Lucas, when we feel lazy, what can we do?
The best idea is to walk for just 1 minute. Research shows that even a short walk can boost energy levels, improve focus, and kickstart your brain into productivity mode.
When we're feeling overly stressed, what can we do?
Great question. A deep breathing exercise works wonders. It helps calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve focus. Perfect for getting back on track.
Are you sure, or is there any research to support that?
Of course. Studies have shown that deep breathing exercises activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps reduce stress and anxiety. This not only calms your mind, but also boosts concentration, making it easier to focus on tasks.
Hey Lucas, let's talk about something else now. Tools that can help us stay focused and get more done.
Sure. I already have been using a few tools myself. Just like we install apps like Facebook and Instagram, we should also try apps that boost productivity.
So the first tool I use is for time management, the second one makes work more fun, and the third helps combat distractions.
That's nice. So, the first tool I would suggest for time management is Forest.
What are the benefits of this app, and how does it work? Also, why should we choose this one over others?
Great question, Sophia. Forest is a unique app that combines time management with a little fun. It works by letting you plant a tree whenever you want to focus on a task. The tree grows as long as you stay off distracting apps on your phone. If you leave the app, the tree dies.
Oh, that sounds fun and motivating. So it's like you're building a virtual forest while staying productive?
Exactly. Plus, they partner with real organizations to plant actual trees, so your focus helps the environment too. It's a win-win.
That's really cool. But why choose Forest over other time management tools?
It's fun and keeps you off your phone by growing a forest. The gamified approach makes staying productive enjoyable.
Yes, exactly. You set a 25-minute timer and a virtual tree is planted.
The funny part? You can even build a community with friends. Like, I've planted 10 trees today and I'll aim for 12 tomorrow. It's a fun way to stay motivated together.
We all should try at least once.
By the way, Sophia, suppose I ask you a question. What is the value of your time?
That's a deep question, Lucas. I guess the value of my time depends on how I spend it. If I use it wisely, it's priceless. But if I waste it, it feels like nothing. Why do you ask?
I'm impressed, Sophia. At least you've thought about it and answered. You know, there are so many people who go through life without ever really considering the value of their time. It's something we often take for granted, don't you think?
Of course. I've seen so many people wasting their time gossiping about others or showing off on social media.
That's right. Just for show, we take pictures, edit them, add filters, and make them look perfect to show how happy we are. But it takes a huge amount of time from our lives. And what's the return on this? Nothing.
It is limited, and what makes it really interesting is that we do not know exactly how limited it is.
We're almost at the end of this video, and we really appreciate our viewers who've stayed with us till the very end. Because now, we're going to talk about something very important: how to take back control of your time.
Exactly. One of the simplest yet most effective habits for time management is preparing for the next day before you go to bed.
Spending just a few minutes in the evening creating a to-do list of important tasks for the following day not only helps you organize your work better, but also reduces stress, gives you a sense of control, and boosts productivity.
Just think about this. If you start your day without a clear plan, you'll easily get caught up in unimportant tasks or waste time on unnecessary issues. But with a ready-to-go plan, you enter the day with confidence and clear goals.
I totally agree with you.